teaching you OOPS subject and OOPS lab in third semester of IT department. So I have taught this thing in your OOPS classes, that how we create a class, how the variables and member functions of a class are created. Now here we are going to study about one program. This program is going to calculate net salary, DA, of an employee in an organization, and the details of the employee that we are going to input are calculated, will be printed on the screen. So coming to the program, here you can see I have included the two header files. One is iostream.h, that is the main basic file of any C++ program, and another one is conio.h, that is going to be used for output console screen. So coming to the program, we are going to print the details of an employee of an organization. So the details that we are going to include in our program are like employee number, what is the name of the employee, what is the basic salary, how much DA he is getting from the institute or an organization, what is the net salary, and after taking all the input of a employee, then we are going to print all these data on the output screen. So coming to the class, I have made a class by name employee. This class is having some variables like employee number, employee name is of character type, employee basic, salary, DA, net salary, and employee IT are some of the float variables, because we are going to calculate or show the money in floating point, like point something in the digit form. So we are going to use the float variable here. After that, I have made three functions. Those three functions are in the public access modifier, meaning that we can use these three functions out of this class also. The three functions are get details, to taking the details of an employee, then finding the net salary is the next function to find the net salary of an employee, and the third function is show employee detail. This function is going to display all the details of an employee on the screen. The semicolon is used to close this class here. Now I have used scope resolution operator. This scope resolution operator is used to uh, relate the class to its function, meaning that wherever the function is defined, that uh, ये स्कोप रेजोल्यूशन फंक्शन का हम यूज इसलिए करते हैं कि क्लास आपके ये फंक्शन आपकी कौन सी क्लास को बिलोंग कर रहा है, उसको डिस्प्ले करने के लिए या उसको रिलेट करने के लिए, लिंक करने के लिए हम स्कोप रेजोल्यूशन ऑपरेटर का यूज करते हैं. सो मैंने अपनी क्लास जो एम्प्लॉय है उसके अंदर मैंने तीनों फंक्शंस को डिक्लेयर किया है, एंड इन तीनों फंक्शन की डेफिनेशन को मैंने क्लास के बाहर डिफाइन किया है, तो उसके लिए मुझे स्कोप रेजोल्यूशन ऑपरेटर का यूज करना पड़ा है. सो दिस गेट फंक्शन बिलोंग्स टू एम्प्लॉय क्लास. इसके बाद में मैंने इस गेट डिटेल्स वाले फंक्शन के अंदर सिर्फ यूजर की वैल्यूज को इनपुट करवाया है. तो सबसे पहले आपके पास में एक लाइन डिस्प्ले होगी एम्प्लॉय नंबर, तो आपको एम्प्लॉय नंबर एंटर करना है. आफ्टर दैट देयर विल बी ए लाइन डिस्प्लेड employee name, then you have to enter the name of the employee. After that there is line employee basic, in which you have to enter the basic salary of the employee. So getting the basic details from the of the employee from the user is the main task, is the very first task in our program. Coming to the next function, that is find net salary. This is the second function in the program, which is going to calculate the salary. Like we are having the basic salary of the employee, but what he is getting after, what he is getting in the net salary is calculated by the organization. So employee data, first we are going to calculate the employee DA, then employee IT, and then the IT is for increments, and the last third function is net salary, in which the net salary is calculated by these three formulas. Second function is completed here. Now the third function is employee details. So this function is going to display all the details of the employee that we have calculated or that we have taken from the user. So basically this function is going to display the output on the screen. So we are having some C outlines in which details of a employee is displayed, like what is his basic salary, how much DA he is getting, what is the income tax he is going to pay, or in the last what is his net salary. So this definition of the functions are completed. So now we can say that our whole complete class is defined now, including all the member functions and variables. Now we are now coming to the main of the program. In this main program, I have made an array of objects. This is the array of object. EMP is the object name and 10 is the size. How much objects I can make here. So here I can make 10 objects of the employee class. So this is an array. So we are going to use for loop. We are going to enter the number of employee, how much employees detail we want to enter or we want to display on the screen is entered here. After that, all the three functions are called in the loop, like employee one dot get detail, employee one dot net salary, and employee one dot show uh, employee details will be called one by one. If we are going to enter two employee details, then this loop is executed two times. After that, get stage function is called. That means our function or our program is going to terminate now. So this is the explanation of the program, in which we have seen how scope resolution operator is used and how array of objects are created. So this is the theory part or the written uh, program. Now we are going to execute this same program on Turbo C++ compiler. Here you can see the same program is written in Turbo C++ compiler, where we are having iostream.h, conio.h. The same program is here that I have explained in the lab manual. So we are going to compile this program. To compile this program, we are going to click on this compile and then click on this compile. The second method to compile a program is to use shortcut keys. You can press Alt plus F9 from your keyboard to compile the program. So this is the output of the compilation, meaning your program is not having any error. Your program is compiled successfully. So now we are going to run this program. For running, I'm going to click on this run and then click on this run. Also, again, you are having a shortcut key Control plus F9 from your keyboard. So this is the output of your program. You can see calculation of employee net salary. Now here the program is asking you how much, yeah, enter the number of employees. So I am going to insert 2. So I have to insert details of 2 employees. The first statement there which is going to display is here is enter employee number. Suppose my employee number is 13. My employee name is Ashish. His basic salary is 5,000. His employee, again, now I am going to enter the detail of second employee. So the detail for second employee, the employee number is 15. His name is Mukesh and his basic salary is 8,000. The basic details are given to the program. Now we are going to press enter key. Now you can see here the complete details are printed. Like I have given the detail like what is his employee number, his employee name and the basic salary, and in the output you can see the details of employee are printed, like employee 1, the detail of employee 1 is his number is 13, his name is Ashish and the net salary he is having is 5,320 rupees. Similarly for employee 2, We are having his employee number is 15, his name is Mukesh, and the net salary he is having is 8512. So this is the explanation or the use of array of object. This program is having the use of array of object and scope operator. Also, I have taught you about how we define the object, how we define member function out of a class. Thank you.